This is a great tit. It is in the process of incubating its eggs. A bird is trying to break into its nest. Of course, this great tit will never abandon its egg. It is in a state of defense. It is ready for any attack on its nest. It gives many warnings to the enemy, but it seems the enemy is not afraid at all. A strange bird attacks the nest. The battle was extremely fierce. The intruder seems to be in a weaker position. The battle will not end unless one of the two birds leaves. The claw pins tightly to the opponent and does not let go. The result is that the government thought it had won. The loser intruder had to leave.